Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I blow my hair out, and I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press collection. This is a collection of a 4-step process which helps to protect your hair from heat damage, also smooth the cuticles to provide a smoother, long-lasting blowout, and also cut down drying time by 50%, as well as restore moisture to the hair. I have already done steps 1 and 2, and now you will see me as I proceed to step 3. I will not be doing step 4 because I will not be flat ironing my hair.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you.
So this is my first time using the Revlon Salon 1-step hair dryer and styler, and as you can see, I'm just a little hesitant as far as attempting to do it. Is it ripping my hair? I keep checking every time I attempt to pass it through, but eventually I did get the hang of it, and it was just smooth sailing once I got really past the first section. After I completed drying each section, I did follow up with the cool setting. I will say that I really do like this particular blow dryer. One, it is lightweight, it covers a larger section of hair. I was able to dry my hair in actually about 30 minutes, which is awesome. And plus, it didn't get hot. The barrel where you hold it, it wasn't hot to the touch, and at some point my hand did creep up behind the paddle, and it was still cool to the touch as well. So it didn't burn my scalp, it didn't burn my hand, and the drying time was definitely reduced dramatically.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me.
Okay, so for the first section, not bad. I can probably get a little bit closer once I do the other section, kind of light up in there, but for the most part my roots are dry in this section, and my hair feels lightweight. It has kind of a little silky feel to it, and it's probably because of this blow dry and styling primer here. So I'm just gonna keep going.
Why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
So in combination with using the blow dryer and also the blow dry and styling primer, my hair felt smooth and silky to the touch, and also lightweight.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you.
So this is not a tutorial on how to trim your ends, but I'm just showing you a little glimpse of how I trim mine in between going to my stylist. And I just section each part, hold it straight out where I feel where it's rough, and cut from there. I don't do it straight because I don't want a blunt cut. My trimming technique may not be perfect, but it is effective as regards to me getting rid of raggedy and tangled ends.
Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
So at this point, I'm all done, and I'm ready to move on to either a protective style or some other style that's involving my hair being stretched out. Again, I'm not using step 4 in the collection because I'm not going to flat iron my hair. So let me know, how often do you all blow your hair out, and I will see you over in the next video. Bye.